The purpose of these video clips is to clarify the simplicity of FreeCAD. Today's video clip is to convert an STL file into a G-code file. We'll start with the FreeCAD program. We'll create a file to store the contents. File, New, File, Save As, Cone Peg. First we create a cone. Create body, rename to body bottom, additive cone, isometric, XY plane, radius 1.1 inches, radius 2 equals 1 inch, height equals 2 inches, Z direction equals minus 2 inches. OK, fit all. Now we'll create a cylinder. Spacebar to hide body bottom. Create body, rename to body top, additive cylinder, fit all, XY plane. Radius equals 1 inch, height equals 0.1 inches. OK. Spacebar to display body bottom. Fit all. And now we'll convert to STL. Select body bottom. Hold Control key and select body top. File. Export. Save as type STL mesh. Save. conepeg.stl file is saved. Now we'll convert it to G-code. We'll start the PrusaSlicer program. File, Import, Import STL, conepeg STL file. Open. Select the Place on Face icon. Select top of conepeg. Wide end is placed on the bottom. Slice now. The vertical bar shows the layers. Export G-code. Save. Conepeg G-code file is saved. This concludes converting STL file into a G-code file.